Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Norway, the land of the midnight sun, the northern lights, dramatic fjords, and Viking legends. But let's face it, Norway is one of the most expensive countries in the world. So how can you travel there without breaking the bank, or better yet, for free? Well, in today's video, I'll break it all down step by step. No fluff, no complicated talk. Just real strategies, explained in simple English, to help you travel to Norway for free or almost free. Let's dive in. Number 1, understand what free really means. First, let's get something clear. When we say travel for free, we're not talking about magic. It's not about clicking a secret link and a plane ticket to Norway appears. We mean using legit methods to avoid paying from your own pocket, by using scholarships, exchange programs, travel grants, volunteer work, sponsorships, and travel hacking tricks like miles and points. You'll still need to invest something, your time, your effort, or a skill. But you won't have to spend your money if you do it right. Number 2, apply for travel grants and scholarships. One of the best ways to travel to Norway for free is by applying for scholarships and travel grants. Norway is one of the few countries in Europe where public universities do not charge tuition fees even for international students. If you're a student or planning to study, this is a golden chance. Norway Fellowship Program offers full scholarships to students from developing countries to study in Norway. Quota scheme now replaced by the Norpart and other programs. Support students from the global south to study in Norway with full financial aid. Erasmus Plus program. If you're already in Europe, Erasmus Plus allows you to study in Norway for a semester with funding. University scholarships. Some Norwegian universities offer travel and living stipends, even if tuition is already free. Just Google tuition-free universities in Norway for international students and check their individual scholarship opportunities. Number 3, volunteer in exchange for travel and stay. Not a student, no worries. You can still go to Norway by volunteering. Many platforms allow you to work in exchange for free accommodation and food. Some even cover transportation. Try these websites: Workaway, Info, volunteer on farms, hostels, family homes, or community projects in Norway. You usually work 4 to 5 hours a day, 5 days a week. WWOF, worldwide opportunities on organic farms. Work on organic farms and get free lodging and food. HelpX.net, similar to Workaway, with opportunities all over rural Norway. Just register, create a solid profile, and start applying. People with cooking, cleaning, babysitting, farming, or even photography skills have great chances of getting selected. And guess what? Many hosts are happy to write invitation letters to support your visa application. Number 4, join cultural exchange programs. Cultural exchange programs are another amazing route. Au pair in Norway. If you're between 18 and 30 years old, you can become an au pair and live with a Norwegian family. You'll take care of their kids for a few hours a day, and in return, they provide you free accommodation, free meals, monthly pocket money, paid language course, even flight reimbursement in some cases. European Voluntary Service (EVS), if you're from an EU or partner country. You can volunteer in Norway for 2 to 12 months and get free travel, free stay, monthly allowance, insurance. These programs are 100% free for you. The organization handles everything. Number 5, travel hacking. US e-points and miles. 1031, 13 o'clock. Now let's talk about a secret that frequent travelers use: travel hacking. This means using airline miles, credit card points, and travel rewards to book flights for free. How? Get a travel rewards credit card in your country. Use it for normal purchases, bills, shopping. Collect welcome bonuses and points. Use those points to book your flight to Norway. Be responsible, then go into debt. Just spend what you normally spend and earn points while doing it. Some popular cards for this depending on your country: Chase Sapphire Preferred USA, American Express Gold, Capital One Venture, Naira or GT Bank Travel Cards Nigeria, UOB or DBS Travel Cards Singapore, Malaysia. You can also sign up for airline loyalty programs like Norwegian Air Rewards, SAS Euro Bonus, Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles. Even watching flight deals can help you score almost free tickets. Number 6. Look for fully funded conferences and fellowships. Want to travel to Norway as a speaker, delegate, or activist? Apply for international youth conferences, fellowships, or leadership summits. Many of them are fully funded. Examples: ISFIT International Student Festival in Trondheim, fully funded festival that invites youth from around the world. Nobel Peace Prize Forum often invites youth leaders to attend for free. YFU Norway Youth Exchange Programs. These programs cover your visa, ticket, stay, food, and sometimes even pocket money. Just search for Fully Funded Conferences in Norway 2025 and apply early. Number 7. Get a sponsor or crowdfund your trip. If you're a content creator, student, or community leader with a great story or purpose, you can find sponsors or even start a crowdfunding campaign. Platforms like GoFund, FundMe Travel, Kickstarter for creative projects. Let people know why you want to go to Norway. Maybe it's to study, attend a conference, create a documentary, or volunteer. Tell your story. If it's powerful, people will support you. You can also approach local businesses or NGOs and ask for sponsorship in exchange for promotion. Number 8. Cheap or free accommodation once in Norway. Okay, you've made it to Norway, but it's still expensive, right? Here is how to stay for free. Use Couchsurfing Stay with locals for free and experience their way of life. Hostel volunteering, work 2 to 3 hours per day in a hostel in exchange for a bed. House sitting, watch over someone's home while they're away. Stay with friends, family. If you know anyone in Norway, now's the time to reconnect. Also, you can cook your own meals from grocery stores like Rema 1000 or Kiwi to save on food costs. Number 9. Visa tips for free travel plans. Lastly, let's talk about visas. To go to Norway, you usually need a Schengen visa. If you're accepted into a volunteer, student, au pair, or exchange program, they'll often help you with the visa. You'll need an invitation letter, proof of accommodation, travel itinerary, proof of financial support from the program or sponsor. You can apply through the Norwegian Embassy or VFS Global in your country. Start your visa process early. Most embassies open appointments 1 to 3 months in advance. So there you have it, study for free. Volunteer in exchange for food and stay. Apply for conferences. Use travel hacking. Stay with locals. Get sponsors or crowdfund. Norway might be expensive a bit if you're smart, creative, and take action. You can go there without spending your own money. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And drop a comment if you want me to cover how to apply for specific scholarships or volunteer programs. Till then, keep dreaming, keep applying, and I'll see you in Norway.